still today. But even the sturdiest ground, shift and can tremble and let us fall down. Quietly unspoken, you show your emotion. Silence speaks louder than words. It's lucky I'm clever. If I didn't know better, I believe only that which I'd heard. In the days of my folly, I followed your lead. I did what Simon said to do, but I won't let melancholy play me for a fool.